Hi everyone, welcome again my channel Amir Kitchen. Today I have a recipe chicken malai chicken gravy. So juicy, tender, so richness, flavorful, perfect balance of spices. Let's start recipe. Half cup sunflower oil, 4-5 pieces cardamom, cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, half teaspoon cumin seed. Fry a little bit. 1 cup of onion paste. Fry the onion for 3 minutes on high flame. Little bit color is changed. Look, onion color is changed. Now I'm adding chicken. I'm using 1 whole chicken pieces. Cook for high flame until the chicken color is changed. Look, now color is changed. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Cook again for 3 minutes on high flame. Ginger garlic paste mix nicely. Now we adding some spices. Teaspoon chili pepper, teaspoon black pepper, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste. Mix nicely all spices. Cook for 3 minutes on high flame. Nicely mixing because you mix good, the chicken cook good too. Now I'm adding 1 more spices. Crushed coriander 1 tablespoon for good taste. Mix again for 2 minutes on high flame. Nicely mix. After 2 minutes, stop the flame. 1 cup of yogurt. Make sure flame is low or totally stop. Mix nicely for 1 minute. After 1 minute, start flame again. Mix nicely. Add a little bit water. Mix it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes low flame. After 5 minutes, 3 tablespoon melted butter, heavy cream for thickness, 1 tablespoon garam masala, add kasuri methi for taste, mix it nicely. I'm using the cream because of thickness. Now I'm checking salt taste. If you need it, then we can add it more. Mix again 1 more time. Cover and cook for low flame 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stop the flame. Ready to serve. Delicious chicken malai chicken gravy. Flavorful taste, mild spicy. You can serve with the roti, paratha or naan. Thanks for watching my recipe.